Hey everyone, it's Chris from FunTech Guys, and this is just following on from the previous tutorial where we are going to start coding the HTML elements of our contact form. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull this up. So all this, I'm just going to go ahead and delete. Now what we need is we just need to declare that we're working in an HTML document, and I'm just going to storm ahead, assuming that you know some HTML. So I've just declared a head, title, which is going to be awesome contact form. Then let's get some body tags in there. And within here we are going to have a form. Now within our form we need to declare the action. So the action is where the form is going to post to, and then we need a method. So method would be post, because we don't want to post, we don't want to put the elements in the URL. We want to just send the data securely or discreetly through back to the page. So the action we're going to leave blank, because if you leave blank, basically what it does is it just tells the server or tells the page just to post back to itself. So let's just say we're working with index.php, it will just say post this back to index.php. And then I'm going to add a couple of p tags, and then within here we're going to put, let's just do label. So label, and actually, yeah, label, and this is going to be email, and let's just put a little star just to say this is going to be required. So we're going to do break, input, type equals, and then name equals, and that's all we need for the time being. So let's put a placeholder in there as well. Placeholder equals, please enter your email. No, let's leave it at that. Name is going to equal email, because this is the name of the variable that we're going to handle on the other side, so we just need to make sure that we know that we're handling the email. And then type is just going to be text. And let's just go ahead and duplicate a few of these. So I'm just going to call this name, and then name here, and please enter your name. Now for this one, I'm going to call this message. I'm going to come back up here, just take this off, just because we don't want name to be a required field. Although this isn't going to do anything, we just want to indicate to the user that this is not a required field. Message, then we are going to use text area. I'm going to get rid of this. Name equals, how many S's I've got, message, and then just close the text area off. And then obviously, to finish off, we need a final input. So input type equals submit, name equals submit, and value is just going to equal send email. Send email. Okay, that's pretty much it for the HTML elements. What we're doing is we've declared the top, so we're not really doing anything here except from setting the title of the page. We have declared the form. Within that form we are saying it's going to post back to itself, and the method we're setting post, so we're saying just pass it discreetly, or so not into the URL. And then within here we have p tags separating each value. So we've got label and input, so the input type text, name, email, and then just a little placeholder just to say please enter your email. Same again with the name, so we've got name, the variable is set to name, and then message, we've got a message. So let's just set these rows actually. Rows equal, let's say 5 rows, and calls equal, let's say 50. So I'm going to go ahead and save this, and all I'm going to do is, because I've not configured my local host to send emails. I'm just throwing this onto a domain at the moment, so I'm just going to upload this via FTP. Once that's done, I'm going to come back. I'm going to load my page up, and we have what we've just literally created. So if I just let's just say H1 contact form. Save this. I'm going to just quickly upload this, come back to our page, reload, contact form. So this is literally what we've just created a second ago. So we've got please enter your email. This could do with being a little bit wider, to be honest. So let's have a look. So width, let's say 300 pixels. 300 pixels should be sufficient. So I'm going to come back. Let's just add a quick style in here. So style equals width. Now I know inline style isn't best practice, but I'm only doing this for demonstration purposes. And again, save, upload that, come over here, reload. Okay, perfect. It is working, and if we go ahead and click send, it's not doing anything. It's just, although it's posting back to itself, it's not actually doing anything. It's not handling any data. So I'm going to go ahead and close the video off there. We literally can't go any further with the HTML elements. We'll move on to. Hang on, let me just check. Yeah, we'll move on to the onto the PHP handling in the next video. So thanks very much for watching, and I hope you join me in the next one where we handle all the data. Cheers, bye.